Auto Matters is sponsored by Select Collision.
Today on Auto Matters, we're going under the hood, figure out what's making that sound. That loud, high-pitched, irritating, squealing sound that's been driving you nuts for a while. Turns out this is a good news, bad news situation. Well, the good news, more than likely, you've got a belt slipping, and that's not an expensive fix at all. The bad news, you'll want to get it fixed sooner than later, because the reason it's squealing is that it's worn out and it may be close to breaking. And that could leave you stuck on the side of the road. So listen to your car. It's telling you, fix me! And it's easy to do. A little bit of help from our trusted car care pros here in town.
Every car that leaves our facility is our rolling business card, and we understand that our customers' time is incredibly valuable, and we want to make sure everything is as convenient as it can be for them and they can get their car back as quickly as possible so that they can get back on the road.